Hi, this video shows how to create the hanging indent for your Works Cited or Resources page at the end of your paper. Your paper should look like this at the end. It should have Works Cited in the middle if you're using MLA, and it should have the names of your sources listed in alphabetical order. And see how this kind of hangs out over the side? That's the hanging indent that you want to try to do for your paper. So I'll show you first the Microsoft Word version, and then I'll show you the Google Docs version. So usually students, when they are trying to figure out how to do the hanging indent, will often just center it because it's the kind of closest they can get. So I want to try to get this in shape now that the student has centered it. So the Works Cited title, that actually does need to be centered, and that's over to the left right now. So we want to take these, this icon that shows you whether you want to justify left, right, or center, and just put that on the center. And then we want to select the rest of the Works Cited information and bring that back to the left so that it all aligns on the left. So we're almost there. We just need to do the hanging indents for each of the sections. To do that, you want to right click and then go to paragraph options. And if you're on a Mac, I think it's command click in order to pull up this paragraph options, and then you want to have everything say 0, right? And then you want your special to say hanging and by 0.5. And then the line spacing should be double. And that should be it. And it should format it just right. Yes, look, see how it's formatted with the indents kind of lining up like this. This looks good. And so let's look at Microsoft Word, or Google Docs. And this is pretty similar, except for you have to deal with what I call the dealios. This is a very scientific word for this. Your Works Cited needs to be centered, so just make sure that the title is centered. If it's like this, it's not quite right. You also don't want to do this with a tab like that. You don't want to do that because it can kind of mess up the formatting. So you just want to center it and then highlight the text. And then do these dealios so that, see how that all lines up right underneath this upside down triangle and this rectangle. You want to grab the rectangle at the bottom, move that over 1/2 inch, and then grab the rectangle at the top and move that back 1/2 inch. And then we've got our hanging indent. All right, there's other ways to do it. I just think that's the easiest way to do this in Google Docs. All right, thank you.